Okay, so what we have here, guys, I have some pre-prepared cooked and diced chicken. I have some flour tortillas. This was prepared earlier on. And I have some freshly prepared lettuce, tomato, and minced onion. Now, if you don't want to go through all the trouble to prepare the chicken and the tortilla, you can purchase these at the store. Now for the dressing, this is just some mayonnaise, a little sugar, and some white or apple cider vinegar mixed together. And that's it. That's all that you need to make up this delicious wraps. So in a large bowl, I'm gonna add the chicken. I'm gonna go ahead and add the vegetables. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and toss in the dressing. And that's it. That's how simple it is. Now you want to go ahead and mix everything together. Now you can add some cheese to this if you like. Now we're going to go ahead and put our wraps together. So that's it, guys. Now I'm just going to go ahead and cut this in two. And this is it. Look at that, guys. That's how simple it is. So I'm just going to go ahead and roll up my other wraps and enjoy this. Thanks again for watching.